I was hoping for some local warming in November, but it didn't happen. We got two little ultralights today, $15 and $12. We got some camera. We got some plastics. We got the shitty Chicago weather. Let's go catch some perch. This one is okay. Look at this. Mind if I scooch in here? This is the rig that I used, just two crappy tubes, nothing else, about 1 foot from each other, not that that matters. The crappy tubes worked just fine, but the problem was the ones I had were too light and it took forever for them to sink to the bottom. I don't know how deep it is here, maybe at least 25 feet, and it took like 20 seconds for my rig to get to the bottom. Once it did, I got bit almost immediately. But yeah, I regret not bringing heavier tackle. So when you watch this video, it's gonna look like I'm catching them pretty fast, but in reality, after every cast, I was waiting 20 seconds for the rig to sink to the bottom. Interesting. Every fish I catch...
I need a place to sit down.
Would you change places? Sure, man.
My leg is, my knee is
no worries, man.
My knee is bad. Thank you so much.
Hey, no worries. Maybe I got a keeper. I think I got my first keeper.
Yeah.
Yeehaw! We got our first keeper! Ooh! Here we go. I walked up and down the whole bank and I didn't see anybody else jigging for the perch with artificials like me. There was one guy who was using artificials, but he was tipping them with cut bait and he was casting on the bottom and not jigging at all. But everyone on the bank, no exceptions, I don't care where they were on the bank or were they using live minnows or cut bait or artificial, you know, tipped with cut bait, everybody was catching fish. I did this last year too, and I can tell you that definitely this year there are a lot more jumbos than the last year. Unfortunately, I personally did not do well with the big ones. If we count number of fish caught per hour, I don't know if anybody caught more fish than me. I rarely had a cast, very rarely had I had a cast without a fish. It was so easy that I told my buddy, the champion, that if I make a cast and I don't catch a fish, I'll give him $1. And I caught like 20 or 30 fish while he was next to me, and I never gave him $1. And I got quite a few doubles too. Getting smaller, man.
Felt pretty good, like
it felt heavy. I thought, oh man, maybe my second keeper.
Yeah.
Whoa. However, when it came to keepers, I think I was probably the worst on the bank. Everybody that I checked had bigger keepers than me and more keepers than me. I don't know if I had bad luck or the crappy tubes are just good for dinks, but yeah, keep that in mind if you're going down there. I know this isn't very fun to watch. It's pretty much the same every cast. So let me instead take you around so you can get an idea of how packed this place is and what it looks like and what people are catching. Ooh, I like that. The heater. Damn, son. That's a big one. Half a
Yeah.
pound.
Yeah, I've got some nice ones.
Whoa. Look at this. I'm catching only dinks. No skill, no talent. No talent for the big ones. Oh, everybody catching big ones. Look at this. Half a pound. Except me. Sorry. And let me show you what I took home. This is what I got today, guys. Only 7. I think this one is maybe 9 inches. Overall, given how many I caught, I could have done better with the big ones. The rest of this video is just me catching perch dinks on crappie tubes. So I'm not gonna get offended if you exit the video right here. Although I will appreciate if you leave me a like on the way out. Of course, if you wanna stay and watch me catch more perch dinks on crappie tubes, you are more than welcome. Тя прави супи постоянно. Това един ли? Ако един ще е добър. Ако един ще е добър. Не. Фанахта. Моя пачо вика фанахта. На български. Ей, той изглежда добър, а? Ма не е. Изглеждаше във водата, ако се смееш? Освен в даже и в Walmart не знам дали са 15. И то път няма да има долар, стоиле. Няма долар, всяко фърлене. Това ако е една, ще е добра. Ако е една. Каман, би една. Ма не, 2 са. Сега ще го хвана е тук. Знаех се, че навивам. Why are you laughing? This one is not too bad. Малко да ти дам долар. Брамбазък.